Assalamu alaikum. This video is based on Pakistan physical regions, which is very useful for O-level student and also geography students. Length of Pakistan is 1600 kilometer and its width is 675 kilometers. If we have seen the map of Pakistan, the northern and western part of Pakistan is covered with mountainous area and eastern part is flat and fairly low. Physical regions of Pakistan is divided into 6 categories. Number 1, we have Karakoram and Hindu Kush ranges. If we have seen the map of Pakistan, then northernmost area of Pakistan is covered with Hindu Kush ranges, whose highest peak is Trich Meer, whose height is 7,690 meter. And if we goes toward the Karakoram ranges, then highest peak of Karakoram ranges is K2, which is second highest peak of the world, and K2 is also known as Godwin Austen, whose height is 8,611 meter. And second category we have south of the northern mountains. South of the northern mountains includes highland area, Potwar Plateau and Salt Range. Highest peak of Salt Range is Sakesar, whose height is 5,000 feet. Third category of physical regions of Pakistan is Indus Plain. Indus Plain is included Indus River and also tributaries of Indus River. We have seen the map of Pakistan. Then here River Chenab, Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum. These are the tributaries of Indus River, which connect area near Mithankot. Third category of physical region of Pakistan is Balochistan Plateau. This is mainly dry area and separated Balochistan Plateau and thinly populated area of Pakistan. Number 5th category we have western border. Western border is separated with Hindu Kush range, and it is this is the western border. Sixth category we have desert regions. Desert regions of Pakistan included Thar Desert, Nara, Cholistan and Balochistan Desert. Thar Desert is in Punjab, Thar in Sindh, Nara in Sindh, Cholistan in Punjab and Balochistan Desert in Balochistan. In map you have seen this is Thar Desert area, this is Nara, this is Cholistan, and this area mentioned here Thar Desert. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell button for next video. Thank you so much.